Hi, hello friends. Very good evening. This is Nagarajan from the Market Decoder channel. Welcome to the pre-market report. So we are looking at the Nifty's daily chart. And daily, we have seen a very good bearish candle. Yesterday, Nifty got closed at 15,638. That was a good bullish candle. And today, what has happened? Nifty gave a gap down opening, and from there, it dropped towards 175 points from since opening, and Nifty has closed very close to the day's low. So what it indicates is very simple. So market is trying to just cover this gap up. So the gap up, this candle's high is going to be 15,382, and it has been like just hit the gap. So the gap has been filled. So what next? So simple. So now the resistance remains around 15,708, and the support lies around 15,180. So each side breakage will happen. We have to watch. So whichever side the market breaks will be the decider for Nifty. So my suggestion would be like, once we can expect some sort of bullish move. If market closes above this level, which is 15,700, then we can expect towards 16,000 and 16,200 at the max. So we have got enough reasons for moving towards the upside, because it has been literally oversold, and we can expect some sort of bounce from right now. We'll have a 1 hour chart view, because today the whole day there was a downtrend move. Since it was a gap down, almost like since the gap down happened, it was a clear sideways like an expiry day. So the momentum is very clear. Market is trying to come down. So today the gap has been filled. Let's see, like, if the market is able to sustain and open or give a gap up tomorrow, then again we may touch 15,550 levels. And even beyond, if Nifty tries to go up, then 15,600 will remain a good sort of resistance. Right now what we have got, it is seems like a cup and with a handle. So we'll put a fib and see whether it is going to act as a handle or not. So we are around 0.618. So usually during the 0.618 area we'll see some bounce. So if the market is giving a gap up, so don't go for buy immediately. Wait for the sustaining of above 15,600 levels, then go for buy. Better to remain short in both sides in P and C, as tomorrow is going to be the expiry day. We'll have a look at the Nifty's open interest for tomorrow, as it is going to be an expiry day. So Nifty has got a huge resistance at 15,500 levels. Definitely it will be tested. So Nifty is around 15,413. Nifty will try to test 15,500 at least once. So please be cautious. If there is a reversal at this point, then definitely it is going to be a P buying option, which is a put option can be bought when market reaches at this place, because huge resistance is seen here, and 15,000 remains a huge support for this week expiry. Even till this month, this 15,000 may remain a good support. Let's move on to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, what has happened is same like Nifty, we got a good gap down, and throughout the day the Bank Nifty was in a bearish mode, and it was a sideways move indeed. So since morning, if you see 9:15 to 3:15, it is like a good sideways. The market didn't move to more than 200 to 300 points throughout the day. One single candle dropped from 33,100 towards 32,760. From then there was just like 150 points move in each single candle, and throughout the day it was a good sideways move. Very good day for an option seller. But what can we expect from here is, as explained yesterday, market has given enough amount of opportunity here. As I told, if when the market closed at this point, I told, like, right now we are in 0.382. If the market is coming down towards 0.618, that is going to be in buy option, call option buy. So same way it gave an opportunity towards 32,000 758 made a low, and the high was around 33,000, almost like 250 points was given. Again, it is giving some opportunity. If this point 32,780 remains as a support, and if it is giving a reversal, then definitely it is going to be a buy. Again, market can rally up in next few days. But we can what we can see, like what is going to be the in 15 minutes. As I told, like in 1 hour we saw a good sideways. Same goes for 15 minutes. There is no much price action here. When we say it is going to be sideways, in sideways we don't see much of patterns. It is going to be a box pattern. So both sides we can plot a support and resistance. If this level is, as I told, 32,780 remains a support and 33,000 remains a resistance. Each side breakage will definitely give a direction, 33,035 and 32,750. So the range remains very crucial. So this 300 points will decide tomorrow's trade. So either side breakage will have give a sharp move. If there is a fall from here, there is it will be a very drastic fall, at least like 300-400 points. A sharp fall will be there, as it was a whole sideways day for today. So that is all from Bank Nifty as well. We'll have a look on open interest. So open interest shows 33,000 is having a huge resistance. There was a huge fight between the buyers and sellers, call option writers and put option writers at 33,000, because the market tried to breach 33,000 multiple times, and there was a good writing at the put option 32,800. That is why market was able to sustain at 32,800 levels, and 32,500 remains a very good support for tomorrow. So if in case market drops, definitely 32,500 will remain as a good support for tomorrow's expiry. And we'll move on to a couple of stocks. So today I have given a call at in BPCL. So we'll go to the weekly view. So weekly view is very clear. So this is what I have given in the Telegram channel and Insta. So market given the call at 304, I believe. So market closed at 305.9 as the closure. So the stop loss remains 287 on weekly closing basis, and the targets remains 331 and 356 for almost like 14-15 points stop loss. We have 30 and 60 points as our targets. So that's all with BPCL. So we'll move on to daily time frame to show why I choose this stock. So in daily there is a good price action here. This was an insider candle, and the move above this gave a breakout. That is one good signal, and it is a bullish hammer, and insider candle breakout has been seen in the demand zone. So definitely it is going to be a buy, and today we got some good buying volume. So I believe like the technicals remains good, as well as fundamentals remains really strong for BPCL. So there is no harm in taking this trade with the mentioned stop loss here. We'll go to one more stock, KPIT. KPIT has been falling like anything. From 800 it has fallen towards 440, almost like 40-45% drop has been seen. So if in case market is closing below 466, which is previous week's low, then definitely market will the KPIT stock will definitely remain bearish towards 370 and 340 levels. This will be the level where we can expect the KPIT stock to be landing, because the trend is already down. It has made a high, low, lower high and lower low. Definitely the lower low target will reach towards 370 levels. If the current week, if this week closes below 466, then definitely the next target is going to be 374. And there is one more reason I can show like why KPIT has been falling like this. If you have a look at the if you have a look on the fundamentals, the P is really high, and the stock is trading at almost like 10x. Even after 400 points drop, the stock is trading at 9.94. times than its book value. The sales this is going to be the sales for there has been 30 crores of profit for the March quarter, and the net profit has been like just 9 crores, and sales has been like it has increased 400 crores has been like the profit has been increased in sales. These are good facts, but one important thing is the shareholding pattern. So the shareholding pattern remains very fishy. So FIIs has reduced their stake considerably, almost like 3.2% to 8% that they have reduced, and DII has also reduced almost like 2% in this KPIT. And but if you look at the public, they have started buying this stock after so many people have been recommending this stock for almost like 1.5 years. So this remains very fishy. Until and unless there is a strong reversal seen in weekly, we need not get into the stock and get into the buying. So please do take care of the levels. The levels are going to be below 466. It is going to be 470 and 370 and 340. So until then, if there is no single reversal is seen, don't get into the stock and keep on buying. Wait for the proper levels and proper technicals and then go for buying. If you see, this is going to be a perfect level. Market made a lower high at 0.382 and it made a bearish evening star and it started falling. If it is if you see this kind of setup, don't enter the stock if it is making a lower high at, with a clear short bearish signals. If you are seeing bullish signals at higher low with at 0.5 or 0.32 with some good bullish signals, then definitely it is going to be buy. So until we see a reversal, currently it is in the support zone, so we can remain with this level. So if this is getting dropped, only then we will see these levels 370 and 340 levels. So until then, please don't get into the stock. So that's all from today's pre-market report. Thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe and support if you like this content and you like the technicals which has been shared here. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.